Hello! Today we're going to be learning about how to use the dashboard. So this is your dashboard tab right here. Okay, the dashboard, you can see all of the information in your account on any given day. So you can always go back in time using the date picker or navigate forward or back in time. And you can also drill down to any of your locations. Now this is my motivation bar. And when you hover over it, I'll let you discover what this is, but it's basically, you know, your cash register, your bookings for the day, your appointments in your books today, in your schedule today, the bookings that happen in your schedule today during the day, how many people booked with you, not necessarily today, but you know, with you. Here you have a very useful graph to break down the content of your cash register for the day, the week, or the month, and you can also drill down by professional or payment type, so it's really useful to balance your cash at the end of the day. This is your appointment list and their status. If you click on a name, you'll be able to go directly to the file, and if you click on the time of the appointment, you can manage the appointment from right here. This is your activity feed. It's the timeline of what happens in terms of booking, invoices, payments, expenses, and text messages sent by the system. In terms of, so it allows you to control the information and see and audit to see if anything was deleted or modified. So in red are deleted or modified. In invoice, payment, and booking, and in fact all of those. So when there's a problem, let's say with balancing the cash, you can always go back to the approximate time here and then figure out rapidly what happened and who did what and catch any errors. The rest of it is this very convenient message board that allows you to synchronize or discuss topics with your team. You've got other graphs such as appointment reports, sales in terms of products, services, appointments, and invoices. So that's it. This is your dashboard. It's very useful. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to share it. And also subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye now.